If you don't see incoming calls on POCO C85, here's what you can do in order to solve this issue. We're gonna begin with something really simple, just restart or reboot your phone. You can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and then of course we move this circle towards the reboot or restart option. And sometimes this simple step allows you to fix these issues. But if the issue is still there, if a simple restart doesn't help, what you can also do is you can go to the control center, for example, and you can check if you have DND mode activated. As long as you added the DND mode button, in my case I have one, so I can just make sure that DND is off. If it's on, there is a chance you will not see incoming calls on the screen. You can also tap on edit over here in order to add the DND button to the control center. You can also press volume up or volume down, and you will find this moon icon in here, which is for DND mode as well, so you can just make sure that it is off like this. Or what you can also do is you can open settings, then go to sound and vibration, and in here we have the do not disturb section, so you can check if DND mode is on over here as well. If the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, another thing that you can do is we can go back to the main page of settings and we're gonna open apps. Now once we open apps, we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and you should be able to have show all apps. We want to select this option in order to see system apps. Now on this list, we're gonna search for phone. There we go. And let's actually hide the keyboard. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that are somewhat related to the phone for calling. So we're gonna go to the hyperphone first. We want to clear the data, clear all data if possible. There we go. Then we're gonna go back, open the phone app as well. In this case, we want to force stop the app. There we go. You also want to clear all the data. There we go. And you want to go to app permissions. I'm not sure why the screen is rotated like that. There we go. And in here, we should be able to check if we have these permissions granted. These are pretty much all the standard permissions that should be allowed. So if they are not allowed in your case, then just remember to set them up to allow the apps to use them. And besides that, make sure that notifications are enabled. Pretty much everything in here should be on. All right. Now once we do that, we can go to the phone and messaging storage, and you want to clear cache. There we go. Next, we have the phone services option, and of course we can clear all data in here. All right. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna search for another term, and it's gonna be call. And we have call management. So let's just go over here, and we can clear the data. There we go. And I believe that should be everything that we want to take care of. All right. So once that is done, what you want to do is you want to open the phone app again because we force stopped it. And you may notice that the app looks a little bit different this time. This is the previous style or design of the app. Recently it got updated like a couple of months ago. So now it looks a little bit different, but if you reset everything, and then it goes back to the previous design. Of course, you don't have to worry about it because after some time, like a short period of time, the app should be updated once again, and you should be able to have that newer design back again. And hopefully, after doing all of this, the issue will be gone. Subscribe to my channel.